Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by duplicating the background so edits stay non-destructive. This gives you a safety copy. Next, make a precise selection around the stock using lasso, quick select, or the pen tool. Pick what matches edge detail. Use a small feather such as 0.5 to 5 pixels because feathering blends the repair. Higher resolution images need larger values. Once done, refine the selection edges in Select and Mask to remove harsh artifacts before you proceed to the actual removal. With the selection active, choose Edit, then Content-Aware Fill. Photoshop generates a preview and sampling area. Accept or paint sampling areas to guide the algorithm. This controls what pixels it uses for fill. If Content-Aware struggles near pattern or hair, switch to Spot Healing Brush on a new layer for smaller fixes or the clone stamp for exact texture matching. Make sure to sample from nearby similar tones. This preserves lighting and continuity. Once satisfied, deselect and inspect edges for remaining seams. Final cleanup is about blending. Use the healing brush on a sampled source to remove small mismatches, and clone stamp for repeating patterns that need exact placement. Then, apply light dodging or burning on a 10–20% soft brush to match local brightness and make the repair invisible. If you still see halos or texture shifts, consider frequency separation to edit texture and color independently. One troubleshooting tip: if Content-Aware creates odd patches, shrink the selection and redo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.